What's going on, folks? Welcome back to the Lawn Shark channel. So sorry about all the background noise, but it sounds like all of the neighbors have decided they want to mow today as well. I've actually been gone for the last 4 days, been on a motorcycle / camping riding trip out in East Tennessee. If you guys are interested in seeing a little bit of that, I'll put it at the end of this video, just a quick highlight reel of that if you want to see it, but didn't want to put it in the front and waste your time if that's not your thing. So anyway, back today. It's Sunday afternoon, and I decided that I would give the lawn a little bit of a mow, and it needs it. The back here, and I'll show you guys, the back is like really long. You can see how long this fescue is. You can see it from my foot right there. And then the other thing I wanted to give an update on are these spots right here, which is where I did all the T-zone, and it did discolor a little bit. It has gotten rid of most of the clover. There's still a little bit right there. Most of the clover is gone, or it's going. You know, it takes a couple weeks, but it's done a pretty good job of getting rid of all that I needed to. And the fescue itself got a little bit damaged, and I think I know why. If you look at the old video, and I'll show a little clip right here, you can see that I went like over it a couple times instead of just going like once, and I probably overdid it a little bit. I don't think it's going to really damage it permanently, probably damage the leaves that are there, but I'll be putting in some nitrogen over the next week or so, and I think that'll just push out that growth and it should be fine. That's a quick update on the T-zone, and today let's get mowing because it's getting loud out here. So I'll come back at the end and show you guys what it looks like after we're all done mowing the front and the back. We'll get started back here first, and then we'll get to the front, and we'll see how it looks. All right, well, it doesn't look too terribly bad. Definitely some discoloration like right there, and it's still only been a week, so I'm expecting that clover to die all the way. And you can kind of see a little bit of brown as you look up the lawn there, but overall it's pretty good. I'd say the only thing I did wrong is I probably cut a little bit too low, and I think that the grass is finally at that point where we can start raising the height of cut a little bit. And if you look back this way, definitely think that I could bring it up at least a notch. I think I got 2 notches left on my mower, but I think right now we're sitting at about 3 inches. I could probably go up another ½ an inch or so, but you can see a little bit of brown. But like I said, once we get some nitrogen in this week, I think that'll just push all the growth out and we'll be fine. So let's get to the front, and we're gonna do a little real mowing up there. Definitely a little bit longer up there than the real mower is going to want, so I'm going to have to do a couple passes, but I'm not going to get away from that real mowing up there. And I like those stripes, and I like the way it is, so we'll just have to bring it back down. All right, folks, well, that's pretty much it. As you can see, the backyard looks really good. Like I said, I think we're going to fix all of those brown spots. Just a little bit of nitrogen as it grows out. It's growing really fast, so the good news is that all that should just push right out and we should be in good shape. You got to look at the front. Front looks great as well. So next step, I've actually got something going on this week. We're going to see if we can get some compost in the yard. I'm trying to get some. If I do, I'm going to do a top dressing. So that may be the next video, or we may be doing nitrogen. But both of those are going to happen this week. Just not sure which one is going to be the first video of those two. So we'll work on that. And let's see what else. Oh, if you guys stick around, you guys get to see a little bit of what we did this weekend on motorcycles. Again, if it's not your thing, no big deal. You can end it right here. But if you stick around, you can take a look and see where we went. We actually hit the Tail of the Dragon in North Carolina. We did the Devil's Triangle here in Tennessee. And we also did the Blue Ridge up until we got up into Asheville. Really beautiful motorcycle riding and quite a bit of beautiful scenery. And we even did a little bit of camping. So do just a quick little video, no big deal, right here at the end. But if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to be notified of future videos, don't forget to hit that bell, and we will see you on the next one. Have a great week, everybody.
But I can't stay. You make me roll the dice. They look a lot like you. Those snake eyes. If your heart's set on burning this bridge, then I leave you my ashes. I got my gas and ammo by my side. Going 65. I push the pedal into the light. No matter how they try to drag me down, well, I keep on rolling. Well, I keep on rolling. I think it's fair to say I've paid my dues with you. It just won't do. It's been a circus life. All the hoops you got me jumping through. But I can't stay. If your heart's set on burning this bridge, you can cry on my ashes. I got my gas and ammo by my side. Going 65. I push the pedal into the light. No matter how they try to drag me down, well, I keep on rolling. 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 I got my gas and ammo by my